You don't quit guitar because you don't have talent. You quit because the early stage is confusing, uncomfortable, and your practice has no structure. That's fixable. Most beginners quit for predictable reasons, and predictable problems have repeatable solutions. Here's the honest breakdown, plus a simple plan you can start today. You're not trying to be good. You're trying to become consistent. Consistency is what makes you good. Random practice feels productive because you're always doing something new. But it doesn't build skill. It builds frustration. Your brain learns best through repetition with small upgrades, not constant resets. Scrolling lessons and starting over every day. Trying to learn full songs before you can switch 2 chords cleanly. Practicing only when you feel motivated. You don't need hours. You need 15 minutes with a clear focus. 3 minutes, tune up, plus warm fingers. 7 minutes, chord switching drill, 2 chords only. 5 minutes, play something musical, even slow. Pick 2 easy chords. E minor to G is a great start. Set a timer for 7 minutes. Switch slowly without stopping. Don't chase speed, chase clean. Guitar is one of the only hobbies where people expect good results immediately. That expectation quietly kills motivation. The early stage is supposed to sound bad. Buzzing strings, muted notes, sloppy timing. That's not failure. That's your hands learning a new physical language. Stop asking, "Do I sound good yet?" Start asking, "Can I place the chord faster than yesterday? Can I get one more clean strum than yesterday? Can I switch chords without staring at my fingers?" Small wins stack fast. The mistake is trying to push through like you're training for war. That's how people quit. Instead of one long session, do 3 5-minute sessions spread throughout the day. Your fingers recover faster. Your motivation stays intact. Consistency becomes easier. When you're alone with the instrument, every mistake feels personal. It's not. Every beginner struggles with the same wall. 2 things make the beginner phase smoother. A tuner, so you're not fighting bad pitch. A simple drill format, so you always know what to practice next. Clarity kills frustration. This is intentionally simple. The goal is to make progress obvious and repeatable. Always tune first. An out-of-tune guitar makes beginners think they sound bad when the instrument is the problem. Pick 2 chords. Switch slowly. Make them clean. Relax your wrist. If you mess up, reset and continue. Strum those 2 chords with a steady rhythm. Slow is fine. If you can keep time, you're already winning. Most people don't quit guitar because it's hard. They quit because they don't know what to do next. Remove the uncertainty and guitar becomes manageable. Once it's manageable, it becomes fun. Tune before every session. Pick 2 chords and drill them for 7 minutes. Repeat tomorrow. Same chords until the switch is smoother. That's how beginners turn into players.